how to use OmeTV. Now if you want to use OmeTV, it's very simple. First, make sure that you've allowed the camera access and whatever other access that the OmeTV app requires. Right now, right when you open the app, you can see this is how it's going to look like. So first you can simply select your gender right here. Right, once you select your gender, you can simply swipe right in order to basically start it, and you can keep on swiping to skip it. If you want to actually stop the streaming or whatever, swipe towards the right hand side like this. But if you want to skip and do next, you can just swipe like this on the right hand side. That's just it. There's nothing other. These are all the things that you'll only get when you start chatting with someone, and when you tap on this little gear icon, you'll be able to find the language, rules, or whatever else it is that you prefer. But to give you an idea, this is simply it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.